Kajalu, a dessert from India. Serves 4. You will need 6 ingredients. Step 1. Mix flour, 2 tablespoons of butter and baking soda along with a little water to make a soft dough similar in consistency to that of chapati. Keep aside for 15 minutes. Step 2. After setting aside the dough for 15 minutes, knead the dough ball until soft for about 10 minutes. Step 3. Now, divide dough into lime-sized balls. Keep aside. Step 4. In a small bowl, mix well, 3 tablespoons of softened butter and rice flour. Step 5. Roll out each lime-sized dough ball, like you would a chapati. Step 6. Now, spread 1 teaspoon of rice flour and butter mix from step 4 over the top surface of chapati and roll it up closely. Step 7. Now, cut this rolled chapati, along its length, into 1-inch wide pieces. Step 8. Take each piece and stretch it, now, along its width to about 1.5 inches. Step 9. Do similarly for the rest of the dough balls. Step 10. Meanwhile, heat sugar with 1 cup of water, until sugar dissolves and syrup looks thick. To test whether the syrup is ready, take a drop between your fingers. It should feel sticky and stretch a little. Step 11. Remove syrup from heat. Heat ghee in a thick-bottomed pan, on medium heat, until it is hot. It should not be smoky hot. Add a batch of kajus and fry over low heat until golden yellow. Step 12. Remove from heat and immediately add to the syrup. Stir gently a few times so that the kajus are well coated with syrup and leave in the syrup until the next batch of kajus are ready to go into the syrup. Step 13. At this stage, remove the previous batch of kajus and place them on a plate to cool. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.